Standard 6J says, examine the emergence of the United States as a world power. The era of the United States overseas expansion, World War I, World War II, and the Cold War. So our concepts here are war, power, nation, conquest, competition, terrorism, and invasion. Our critical content, I need to know the events that led to the United States becoming a world power. I need to know about the U.S. overseas expansion, World War I, World War II, and the Cold War. I need to know as much information that I can about the emergence of the United States becoming a world power. Your skills are to examine. Your verb is examine. I will take the steps to know more about the events that helped the United States emerge as a world power. I will gain more knowledge about the U.S. overseas expansion, World War I, World War II, and the Cold War. So here are all of your resources. There are a lot of resources here to look at. We can look at a few. Let's look at this one. This is World War I. When America fought in World War I and became a global power. When America entered World War I a century ago, the sweet the European powers were bogged down in a grinding trench war that had killed millions and ravaged the European continent. So, swinging the industrial might and vast manpower behind France and Britain. On April 6, 1917, the United States tipped the balance of the conflict and marked its own emergence as a global power. World War I was clearly the turning point for developing a new global role for the United States, ushering in a century of international engagement to promote democracy. So World War I was a big event that helped America become a world power. So just look through those to help you be successful with this standard.